for making time for me, for giving me your... Galit ako sa inyo kasi gumastos kayo. But I appreciate it and I'm so thankful. Don't do that again. Next time you guys want to have a gathering, just tell me and I'll be the one to put everything together. I don't like it when you guys spend. And I feel like supporting somebody doesn't mean you have to spend for them. So allow me next time to be the one to treat you guys to time together. Yeah. But I just want to say thank you. I wouldn't be able to be as passionate as I am to have fun doing what I love to do if I didn't have you guys to support me. To have this time with you really is something meaningful and special and inspirational to me. So I just wanted to say thank you for doing this. But don't spend again, ever again. Oh my God, I'm gonna get so mad next time, like for real sermon levels. But I am appreciative. Thank you really for being here for me. And thank you for supporting the Ligaw Bullet so much. Amikan, wala akong promo. We were able to reach 1M. Yay! I guess timing lang, it's like Christmas. Everybody's busy. Skasta's busy. I'm busy. Nagkasakit ako. And then so I'm only gonna start promotions maybe after Christmas. So I hope you guys can still support Ligaw Bullet after that. And I hope you guys can get excited for next year. I hope our family can grow some more because we're gonna have so many big things next year. Next year's really gonna be a year of artistry. We're gonna have more songs out, more music videos. We're gonna have the teleserye out. We're gonna have 2 endorsements out. God willing, na matuloy. And yeah, your support, helped me get there. So really means a lot. I hope our family can grow more. Kahit tumatanda na tayo.
Hindi naman po halata. Hindi halata.
Wow, fighting. No, but I'm gonna work hard. I'm gonna continue to work hard to make you guys proud. And next year will be really exciting. And I hope you guys can be there with me along the way. Continue to make you guys proud. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. How do you say it? Like energy, life, and time. When you give that to somebody, or prayers, that's the best gift you can give someone because you can never get that back again. So if you give it to somebody, that's very precious and meaningful. So I acknowledge that you guys are giving me that, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much, Miss Denise.
Isa-isa lang.
Thank you so much. Ayan. Picture taking naman po tayo this month.
Siya lang photographers, isa-isa lang kasali siya. Okay, game.
Yung payat kami.
Sige, yung payat daw si Ate Janice. Next, sino una? Sino ako dito picture? Siya lang mag-picture. Huwag na magkahiyaan,
Alright, picture po tayo. Isa.